Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make traditional flan. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees F and prepare a caramel by melting sugar until amber. Whisk eggs, sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, and vanilla until smooth, then strain. Pour caramel into ramekins and add custard, cover with foil, and bake in a water bath until set. Cool, chill thoroughly, then invert to serve a glossy, creamy dessert. Start by gathering ingredients and tools to make the process smooth. You will need sugar for caramel, 3 large eggs, 1 can sweetened condensed milk, 1 can evaporated milk, and pure vanilla. Use small ramekins, a roasting pan for bain-marie, and a fine mesh strainer to ensure a silkier custard. Have a kitchen thermometer and oven mitts ready, and measure ingredients precisely for consistent texture and flavor and patience. Make caramel carefully to avoid burning and to achieve a deep amber color. Heat sugar with a splash of water until it liquefies and swirls brown, then pour quickly into ramekins to coat bottoms. For custard, whisk eggs gently to avoid bubbles, incorporate milks and vanilla, strain into ramekins, then cover with foil. Bake in a water bath until just set, cool to room temperature, and chill at least 4 hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.